Hello everyone, this is your instructor, Michelle Spencer, coming to you live from my very noisy home, in which right now I have 6 boys and 2 dogs. So if you hear barking or screaming or weird fart noises, it's because they're here. I just wanted to make 2 little introduction videos since we are online for the first week of developing curriculum for early childhood, and kind of go over the syllabus and the calendar and stuff that we would normally do on ground in week 1. So we really won't have to waste our time during week 2 with a ton of questions because we have gone over it. So I'm hanging out here in my Blackboard, which might be a little blurry, but I try to make it small enough. Always, when you need to know where something is, go to Start Here. You'll find our syllabus, the student learning outcomes. If you need any help with Blackboard, this is kind of a good video to watch. It shows you where everything is and where our calendars are. So first I will pull up the syllabus and put it in the window. We can take a quick look at that. Pretty much same syllabus you're used to seeing. We're gonna have a couple of big assignments and then smaller assignments, and we are gonna have small quizzes, really small quizzes, like 15 questions max every 2 weeks. So don't freak out about that. It's in your chapters, super easy. You have a tentative calendar here that you can look at, and all of this information that's here on the syllabus is also on the calendars. So I'm going to close this out. You can read through here. And then in the Start Here area, again, if you scroll down, you have giant calendars. When I see you on ground in week 2, I will give you a hard copy of this, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you lose your calendar, you can always come here to find it. On the left side of the calendar, I try on the weekend. We're obviously not here on Sundays, but it gives you kind of a preview of what we're doing that week. So week 1, since we're online, is just chapter 1 of your CATS book and your Kostelinek book. This book is your textbook, and the CATS book is the project workbook. We will be using both of them, and I'll show you pictures of them in 1 minute when we go back. We're going to be talking about developmental domains and theories online this week. And since we are a Thursday night class, most of our Blackboard is going to be due on Thursday nights. I am going to be giving you time in the beginning of class when we are on ground where you can open up Blackboard and do the Blackboard posting. This is not a license to wait and do Blackboard to the last minute, but I do want thoughtful posts, and since we have almost 4 hours together, I thought we could do that. And when we need to respond to each other, then we'll have enough people posting. So those will be due on Thursdays. And then when you have hybrid assignments due, so this week's assignments for our first week, even though we supposedly only have class on Thursday, all of those assignments online are going to be due on Sunday night. So all of week 1's work is going to be due on Sunday the 15th by 10 p.m. On the Saturday column, I usually put what's coming up. So you know by next Thursday you need to read chapter 2 from both of your books and work on your theories assignment. If you look forward to week 2 here, before we meet in class on Thursday the 19th, you will have that small quiz on chapter 1 and 2. You'll be doing the quiz before we come to class on Thursday to kind of make sure you've read both chapters. It's really hard to have a discussion about what you're supposed to have read if nobody has read it. And I love to talk, but I don't like to be the only one talking. So I would love to have discussions and not just lecture you for 4 hours. All right, and then that first big assignment is your theories assignment, and that's due that Thursday on week 3 when we are online. So all of your calendars, again, are here in the Start Here area. You can look ahead, see when everything is due. Da, 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 da. And I will go into more detail on all the specific assignments when we are together in ground 2, and a little bit in another video for this week. We will have discussion boards. So discussion boards here on the left. You can see week 1's discussion board is up. So I'd like to learn a little bit about you because most of you are night classes people, and I am used to teaching day classes. I hear children coming up the stairs, so it might get loud. Hold on. Shh, Nate. Oh, there go the dogs. I'm telling them, go downstairs for 1 minute. Shh, go downstairs for 1 minute. Sorry, I told you I had 3 boys and 2 dogs. Come on. I'd like you to talk about yourself so we can get to know you a little bit. And then I would like for you to think back to when you were in elementary school and what kind of curriculum you think was used at your school. Obviously, that was a while ago, more so for me than you probably. But think about, how did you learn to read? How did you learn to write? What kinds of things did you do for math? Did you do things like Play-Doh, painting, open-ended activities? And I don't want you to go, yes, we did math. Yes, we did science. Yes, we did this. I want you to kind of describe how you remember it. Obviously, we're a little foggy on it. Shh, Lucy. Shh. I'll have to upload some pictures of my annoying animals so you can hear them. So that is discussion board. So sorry. And then weekly folders, of course, will be our kind of go-to area. Week 1 is already up and ready to go. Week 2, I just put ground. Nothing is uploaded yet for week 2. So I am going to stop here because children are coming up and yelling, and then I'll post another video on week 1's activities.